In this video we will be setting up the feeder for number 10 envelopes. To start, you need to open the load tray part. By doing this by turning this knob clockwise. Use an envelope to make sure you have the right gapping. Once it's wide enough to slide one in, close it till it just touches the sides of the envelope. The exit guides also need set. Start by setting them level or slightly outside of the load tray. The back oscillation tray can also be adjusted to help with maintaining proper feeding. Loosen this thumb screw to move it forward or back. Tighten once you have it into the right position. We will now test our feed by turning on the conveyor and running. If we need more gap in between each one, we can adjust using our separator here. To put more gap in between, turn this counterclockwise. To get less gap in between, or turn it clockwise. Looking at the top view of the feeder, you can see that we have gaps on each side. You can adjust these side rails to make contact at the bottom with a little gap at the top on both sides. This will help ensure most consistent registration during transfer to the main conveyor. The envelopes will come down and you'll see a gap being created at the conveyor. If I want that gap to close up, I turn the speed of the feeder up to close that gap. If I want to create a bigger gap, I can turn the feeder down.